What is the best sugar? And what sugar do I use in my oatmeal? I will reveal my secret sweetener at the end of the video. Honey, agave, maple syrup, high fructose corn syrup, cane sugar, palm sugar, brown sugar, black sugar, white sugar. What's the best? The healthiest, and which has the most antioxidants. Antioxidants are chemicals that allow our bodies to neutralize free radicals and remove potentially damaging oxidizing agents. Vitamin C, E, A, flavonoids, lycopenes, polyphenols. Now, sugar is a substance that is void of nutrition. That is what we call junk food. But still, we hear things like maple syrup, an antioxidant-rich food, or a detoxification tea with honey in it because it adds antioxidants. What? A detox recipe with syrup in it? To make sugar, we literally have to get rid of all the nutrition. That's just how sugar is made. Or else it wouldn't be sugar and it wouldn't taste as sweet. Extract it, boil it, pulverize it, pressurize it, crystallize it. And then we're done. We have sugar. Well, except the honey, because the bee does the processing and then the bee vomits up the honey and then we eat it. So by getting rid of all the protein, essential fatty acids, fiber, water, vitamins, minerals, and of course phytonutrients, we end up with a solitary chemical like sugar. And we can put it in a bag or a packet or save it in a bottle and put a nice maple tree or a smiling honeybee on it so you can see where it came from before it was degraded and adulterated, processed, and refined. It is recommended to get at least 8,000 units of antioxidants per day. Yes, there are tiny amounts of antioxidants in some types of sugar. And if we're going to eat sugar, date sugar beats them all. That's right, date sugar. In fact, they don't even compare. Please see the links below for a detailed analysis. Why date sugar? Because it's just dehydrated dates, crunched up and put in a bag. And of course, the closer that you can get to the whole food, the better the health benefits, the more the nutrition. Do I use date sugar? No, of course not. I don't need to sweeten my food. In fact, my food is sweet enough. Since I don't use oils and salts and other processed foods, fruits and vegetables and rice actually taste sweet. Adding sugar to my food makes it sickly sweet and I can't eat it. Just because a substance has antioxidants does not mean it's fit for human consumption. Beer and wine and whiskey and cigarettes have antioxidants. Consuming concentrated sugars causes the tissues to age and stiffen and depreciate in functionality. The skin, inside the arteries, the lens in our eye, the capillaries in our brain. How do you keep your tissues young and healthy? You eat food, not sugar. Food is a package deal. Eating the whole food gives you a whole package. My secret sweetener I use for my oatmeal has everything. Water, fiber, protein, essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. It's a great package. It's called a banana.